This is the Golden Glory collection by True Glory Hair. It's a curated wig collection for mature women that are sassy, bold, sexy, and elegant. I am wearing the Rita style, and honey, I love her. She is giving professional, get out of my way, I came here to do business style. This style walks into the boardroom ready to do business. I was very impressed with the entire process from beginning to end. They send your wig in this beautiful black box. And when you open it, there's a personal message on the inside. Hello, gorgeous. How cute is that? My wig came wrapped in black tissue paper in this beautiful box, and it was like receiving a gift. Let me show you this beautiful 360-degree view. The Rita wig is 12 inches in length. She has a 22-inch diameter wig cap size, and she's heat resistant up to 400 degrees for your own personal styling. And please excuse my scarf, but I wanted to show you the quality on the inside of this wig. Just take a look at the detail and the quality. This is not a lace front wig. There is no lace to cut off. There are 2 combs here in the front and 1 larger comb here in the back, as well as an adjustable strap. Just look at her versatility and movement in slow motion. She flows with your every move. The Rita wig moves with you, which makes it so realistic. And she is super soft to touch and easy to style. The Rita wig has attitude. What I love about this wig is that it is so versatile and affordable. You can take it from the boardroom to date night, girls' night out, vacay, whatever you want in this beautiful wig. And the entire collection has 10 different beautiful styles to choose from, different lengths, different colors, different textures to suit your personality. With 10 different styles, I know I'm going to have to try all 10 because I am so happy that the Golden Glory collection caters to the needs of mature women. They didn't skimp on the style. They didn't skip on the quality. I am truly happy. And they understand that mature women want to look sexy, confident, and pretty. True Glory Hair, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to experience the Rita wig in your Golden Glory collection. Ladies, I want you to have this luxurious experience with TrueGloryHair.com. Treat yourself, go over to TrueGloryHair.com and save 15% by typing in the code GoldenRhonda15. Try out the wigs. They are absolutely beautiful and fabulous. There are 10 styles in the Golden Glory collection that I know you're going to love. Until next time, stay fabulous.